trying to sell those boxes right there?
Yeah, if people want them. If people want them. All right, we are. I've noted to everybody. And let me bring this over real quick, and we will do the randomizer. All right, look out! I gotta randomize this. So we're gonna bring this up. Set this to the side. Alright, so everybody here is playing for 3 teams. We can go ahead and get this part done. Alright. So as you can see, your names are here. We will randomize the names, we'll randomize the tiers, and then we'll go from there. What's up, babe? It's downstairs. Mommy had it. Alright, so we will get started. So the first thing we're going to do is the dice roll. So we're going to use 2 dice to see how many times we're going to randomize each list. So we're going to do it 4 times, but I'm going to roll the dice twice. All right, and I want one more than 2 times. We're going to do it 8 times. So we're going to random each one 8 times. So each list is randomized 8 times. Can you stop? Don't mess with that, please. Can you stop? Guys, you can't play with that stuff. It's not for you. None of that stuff is for you. Come on, you're making too much noise. People can't hear me. It's kids versus dad breaks, man. You gotta deal with the kids. Alright, so we're gonna go 8 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you see here it says you've randomized the list 8 times. So I will take that list and I will copy over this group here. Now we will do tier 1 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there is tier 1. So Andrew got Charlotte, and Jay Sarami got the Wolves. For those that are, if you're on, but I'll give you guys time to save this as we go. We're gonna keep moving. All right, here's list number 2. Randomize tier 2 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. And we put that there. And now tier 3. 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. So this is our group. This is the pairing. You want to take a quick screenshot? I'll give it a second. I'm going to leave it here for just a couple seconds as I deal with something real quick. What do you need, babe?
This is going to be mine.
We're going to do that as soon as we're done with this.
When you're done, that one's going to be mine.
That's going to be yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
The one with the horse is mine.
The one with the horse is yours. All right. Everybody understand how this works? Any comments? I don't see any comments yet. Everybody good? So Sarami's on here twice. He's got, and I put you in as I had payment. So Danny Chang bought all these together, and his name ended up together. As you can see, that's just wild. That's the 8th randomization, had Danny all together, which is really wild. So there you go. So that is it. So I hope you got it. I'm going to, I'm going to take a screenshot here, and I will add that to the chat so everybody can kind of see it. All right, I'm going to post that in, and we'll get started here right now. And I messaged everybody. I was hoping everybody joined. I don't know. What else could you possibly be doing than waiting to be on this break? But you don't know when it's going to start before, so that happens. happens sometimes. All right, let's see how that pastes in there. Alright, so it's not letting me paste that in there. How else could I do it? Do. Okay, well I can't paste. I took a snip, but I can't paste it, so I can always send it out. Hopefully everybody has what they're looking for, but I'll bring this up in case you don't, but I'll keep it up as we go. Alright, here is the box. We are ready to go. And like I said, let me know if you're interested in any box. Any box you buy, if you purchase a box, we will throw in the Premier Draft, 3 autos in every box, high series for any box you buy except the Leaf auto, which is only $40 for 4 autos. All kinds of fun stuff to be had. All right, and if you're just joining us, we did the randomization. Looks like everybody's here. There's 5 folks. I'm going to show it real quick just so everybody can see it again. So, Sarami, you got Lakers, OKC, Denver. Andrew, Charlotte. You guys can run it back when we're finished. Danny Chang, you got a ton of teams. I'll ship you a nice big package. Jay Sarami, you got the T-Wolves, Rockets, Pacers. Bortolozzo, Knicks, Magic, Cavs. Matthew Beston, Sac, Washington, San Antonio. All right. And we will get started. 5 cards. Everybody gets something shipped to you. You'll have a nice lot of different things coming your way. Whether you hit or not, everybody's a winner. Everybody gets something at least. Not necessarily that everybody's a winner. All right, there's the box. I'm going to block it with a prism box. So you'll get to look at the prism box to hide it. All right. And it's proven if you shout out who you're wanting to hit, you will hit it. Many, many times. All right. Make sure I got everything ready. And card number 1 to 149 for the Timberwolves. 14 of 149. Start out with an Ant-Man. Nicely done. Boom. Come on. Let's go. Top loaded for you. Nice start. It's a good start to the box. Next up, there you go, Joe. The Claw. Paul George. Number 134 to 149. The Claw for the Clips. Clippers was Danny Chang. Got you a Kawhi, Danny. Not sure if you're in the chat. All right, let's go to the back. And we've got SGA to 65. Shea Gilgeous Alexander for OKC. I hit OKC every time. Jay Sarami. Joe, I got you another one. Got you an SGA. You got the hot hand. Hope you enjoy the background noise. I imagine it's getting picked up. All right. Here comes the last base 265 for the Lakers. Anthony Davis, which is Jay Sarami again. You have, you've almost swiped the box. All right. Now for fire. Hang on one second. Let me make sure. All right. Here we go. Last one here. Make sure I have all my... I think that's going to fit. Oh, well. All right, here we go. Last one. It is a wonderful patch with the plate of Peyton Pritchard. Number 3 of 25 to the Celtics, which is Andrew Morgenstern. That is a sweet RPA of Peyton Pritchard. Congratulations. Get that sleeved up for you. And then we'll run it back. I need a thicker. Where did I put all my... Too thick, but it'll have to work for now. Oh, no, that's perfect. Perfect, Andrew. Peyton Pritchard. You on, Andrew? Are you... Must not be. He'll be excited, though. So you got the Boston Celtics RPA. So running it back, I got Paul George, base to 149. That was for... Clippers were Danny Chang. And then Anthony Davis, SGA. Let me get this out of there. And Ant-Man, who is having a great year so far. His second season's wonderful. Are all going to Jay Sarami. He had the Lakers, the Wolves, and OKC. So great, the black box. Great break for you, Joe. Sometimes you hit, sometimes you don't. Like I said, everybody that played, I will send you significant amount of items